going to do today? Well, first, let's have breakfast. Oh, very windy. Jan make a beautiful breakfast for everybody. Yum. You want more milk? Okay. Let's hit. You love Mimi, eh? Okay guys, we got some news. Big news. My friend here, Robert, convinced me to take everything off in the bathroom. And he's got to bring 2 guys there to redo the bathroom with ceramic tiles, put cement everywhere, put everything, do the proper way. No more mucking around. And he's going to pay for it. No, I'm joking. No, we won't go to Bohol, so we do that instead. So I think, yeah, we better do that way. That's it, done. Anyway, the worker's gonna come and we're gonna show them and see what needs to be done to do that. And then we'll make the final decision. Okay, the ladies came to join us. We got 2 beautiful papaya there on the table. Give to Elvin, she'll love it. Okay, on the road to the hardware store and buy the stuff for the bathroom. I think it was a big decision, and it's the best decision. It's gonna cost, but best. And Bella doesn't let me talk. She's singing. Okay, we're here again. Looking for the tiles. I think we may have an idea for the walls. We want small tiles anyway. This one. That's for the wall. Huh?
I don't mind like this. But the thing is green.
Made in India. I prefer made in Spain, but I don't know. Jam likes this color. I like just simple. That's nice, but it's too big, I think. That's the smallest one we could find for the floor. So all gonna be 30 by 30. So this is gonna be the wall, and this is the floor. What do you think, guys? I think it's good. Jem likes it. Okay, we need 15 boxes of this one. I think it's about 8,000 pesos. And 3 boxes of this one, I think, for the floor. It's 11 pieces on each. She managed to get a balloon.
No, I need to. She was crying because she wants to get out.
Where did you get the balloon from? I need to get cement.
Cement.
Yeah.
Quanto? Got cement.
5 bags.
Premium? Premium?
Yeah. And chicken wire. They checked a lot, but there is some broken one. So I take it off. Yeah, some were broken, they took it off the lot, so it's good. They're checking all of them. Oh, that's a nice hat. Beautiful hat.
I need to buy pots for the.
Almost ready for tomorrow. Still more to come, but at least it can start. Thank you for watching this video. Until the next video, take care. God bless you all. Bye bye.